Trade-off, and welcome to this video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial we want to learn how to install Kali Linux on our machine. So first of all, what we need to do is go to kali.aux and download our image file. So just type in kali.aux inside your web address box to just download that Kali Linux image file. So here you see I have already downloaded mine, and there is the latest version, Kali Linux 2016.2. that is 64-bit. So go ahead and download that, and after that just insert your pen drive into your machine, and of course you would want to open Power ISO to create a bootable USB. Okay, so I will go to Tools and I will click on Create Bootable USB Drive, and what I'll do is go and look for, I'll click on Yes, and I will go and look for that image file and insert it over here so that I can start booting. Okay, so I will just click on this folder icon, and I will browse for my image file, then I will click on Open. So I have my ISO OS over here, that is Kali 2016.2, and what I will do is I will go ahead and make sure that my pen drive is also located in the destination USB drive, and I will click on Start at the bottom here. I will click on OK to continue, and that has started creating the bootable pen drive. So what I will do is I will just wait for my gray uploading something over there to finish up and everything, and we shall get back and continue. So go ahead and do that and meet me after that is done. My creating bootable drive is ready. So what I'll do is I'll just click on OK on that machine, and I'll just take my drive out. Okay, so right now what I'll do is I will insert that drive into the machine that I want to install the Kali Linux on. So I've inserted that, and it's showing over here, it's showing Kali Live because I'm on Kali Linux. Now if you are on Windows, it's just going to pop up something, so it's not going to pop up this Kali Live. So what I'll do is, or what you have to do is just restart your machine. If you are on Windows, the same method, go ahead and restart whatever machine you want to install Kali Linux on, and boot into your USB drive. So in my case it's Escape and F9. Yours might be F12 or F10 or something. So I'll just boot inside the drive by clicking F9, and I will take my USB hard drive Toshiba. So I'll just hit enter over here. Okay, so right now Kali is ready to be installed. The quieter you become, the more you are able to hear. I'll just go to install and I will hit on enter. Okay, so everything is setting up so that I can go ahead and install my Kali Linux. I'll just choose English, United States, American English, and all these stuffs are going to load for me to install that on. Okay, so right now it's asking for network interface, and I'll take the first one, the Ethernet or the wireless. Okay, then I will just move to enter. This is just taking the Wi-Fi available, which is handy, but I'm not going to configure through that, so I'll take the second one, which is enter ESSID manually, then something continue. I'll take the first one, continue, and right now it's going to dictate some links, local addresses. It's going to take some time configuring the network with GHCP, so I'll just wait for everything to proceed. Okay, network configuration failed, but I won't worry. I'll just hit on continue, and I'll go to do not configure the network at this time, so I will hit enter. Then my host name, of course, is Kali. You can change that. I'll set my password, and I will hit on continue. So just confirm your password once again and press continue. I will take Easton, and now it's going to load the storage devices for me, the hard disk, so that I can partition it, or I can use the entire disk. So right now I'll just use the entire disk because I just want to delete everything. But in case you want to partition it, you can go to manual and partition that over there. But this time I just want to enter the entire disk to format everything, so I'll hit here. Let me show you how the manual looks like. Okay, so you just go there, choose the type of hard disk that you want to partition, and do everything over there. Just read those tabs over there. So right now I'll go back, and I will click on detect disk again for it to detect for me, and so I will use the use entire disk. Then this is my Toshiba pen drive, but I'm going to use the hard disk, which is 320 gigabytes, and all files in one partition, separate home partition, then separate home var and type partition. So what I'll do is I will just take the one for new users. That means all my files are going to be in one partition, so I'll click on that, and what I'll do is I'll just click on finish partition and write changes to disk. So write changes to disk, yes. So it's going to format it, and right now my system is installing, so I'll just pause the video over here. Now we are just halfway through, and very soon our installation is going to complete, and we are going to start using our Kali Linux operating system. So just be more patient, and everything is going to copy to the disk for you. Everything has been copied to the disk, so right now it's asking me whether I'm going to use a network mirror or not. So I'll just hit yes to use the network mirror, and I'll just click on continue, and I will go to select any country like United States or United Kingdom. I will go for United States, and this is going to fail. So what I'll do is I'll go back, and I will hit on no. So it's asking me to continue without a network mirror, and with that I'm going to choose yes. So I hit on yes to continue without a network mirror. Okay, so my system is going to continue the installation without the network mirrors, but when the system starts up we can do all those stuffs in there. So I'm still waiting. So right now we are installing our grab bootloader. So it's now asking me to install the grab bootloader, and I will just hit yes over there. So I'll hit yes, and right now how we are supposed to enter the device. Now this is the hard disk, the first one. The second one is the USB, so I will choose the first one, which is the hard disk. And right now my grab boot is installing. Now what you need to do is to unplug your USB and click on continue. So when you click on continue, you are going to see the finishing the installation over here. Wait for it to run some live packages and get itself ready. Alright, so my system is going to reboot and we are ready to see our new operating system, Kali Linux. So I'll just select the first one, which is Kali GNU/Linux. Alright, so my system is setting up. Alright, right now I need to enter my username, which was root. So I'll hit on root. As you see over there, it's root, and I will hit next. So I'll just hit next over here after typing in root as username. Then I will type in my password and I will click sign in. Alright, Kali Linux is ready and everything is set up and ready to go. So I will just complete my video over here, but if you want more videos on Kali Linux, then make sure you subscribe to this channel, as we are even going to treat ethical hacking and penetration testing. So that's it for this tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more videos on Kali Linux. Bye bye.